Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the default live translate other person's voice on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on advanced features. Next, go down and tap on advanced intelligence, then tap on phone, and then we scroll down to the other person section and then tap on voice. And in here you can see I only have one voice available, so depending on the language that you have downloaded, some language pack have more than one voice. So for example, Japanese here, if I select Japanese and go back, and I go back into advanced, so we go down to advanced features, then tap on advanced intelligence, and then I go down to tap on phone, and then we go to the other person's section, then tap on voice. And here you can see for the Japanese language pack, it has two voices. So select a voice that you would like to use for the other person. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.